This is Colt from Spit and Text Upholstery. Another quick video, how to wind your bobbin on the Thor GC1541S. So we've came up through our eye. We have our little net here to keep your thread from fraying. We just threaded the machine, so I'm gonna cut it right there, leave it like that, come back through my guide, through my discs, loosen it a little bit, come down through my eye, okay? Come back here, grab your bobbin in your hand and wind away from you. About 10 winds, okay? Leave about a 4-inch tail, come through one of the holes in the bobbin, doesn't matter which one, pull it like that, keep it firm, put it on your post, bring this down, lift up your foot and give it a little gas and hold this string. Now watch. It'll break. It should break. See that? And then you just let it go. But make sure that you don't have your thread there like I just did. So anyway, and then you can adjust your tension. When your bobbin is winding, you want it to even, to go back and forth. You don't want it fat on this side and shallow on this side. So you see how we're doing that? If you look down in there, you see how that's winding? Come up over from the back and look down in there. You see how it's evenly winding? That's what you're looking for, okay? And you just wind it up and about a dirty fingernail from the top of the bobbin. Don't wind it all the way to the outside. So that's how that's done. I'm Colt from Spit and Text Upholstery. I'll see you around like a donut boil. Ha ha!